So how can you be proactive? Very, very important thing. First, we learned how are proactive people. Proactive people are prepared. How are proactive people? Proactive people have a self-control. Proactive people take responsibility. They are able to respond and they take responsibility of a situation. And proactive people are the one that they are prepared, that we discussed. And now we are discussing how can you be proactive? How can you be proactive? How one can be proactive? Friends, when I say proactive, first and foremost, take responsibility in life. Take responsibility in life. Don't run away from a situation. You be so strong that you take a responsibility in your life. And that taking responsibility matters a lot. See, you may win or you may lose. It is rightly said that I am on a journey of success. I am on a journey of success. If I win, great. If I lose, not a problem. I may guide others how not to lose. How not to lose. And that is the beauty of life. And that happens when you take responsibility. Friends, taking responsibility matters a lot. And when I say take responsibility, it means that you are able to have that in you, that you take responsibility. Second, very, very important people, you can be proactive. Remember, it's all about you. It's all about you. Do you know the world's most important person for you is who? Just look at mirror, you'll get that answer. It's you. It's you. And you would always get a feel, wow, I'm the best person in the world. And it's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about you. It's all about each one of us. Do you know, as our title says, I'm a superstar of my life and communication. So it's the world revolves around me. The world revolves around me. What decisions I make in my life, how I plan myself, how I organize myself, what control do I have of myself, and how prepared am I for the challenges. So it's all about you. When you think proactive, it's all about you. You cannot change the world until you change yourself. You cannot change the world until you change yourself. So remember, you must be able to change yourself, and that happens when you believe that it's all about you. Friends, it is said that if intelligence doesn't work hard, hard work beats intelligence. Be consistent in life. Proactive also means you are consistent. You are consistent to your goal, consistent to your life, consistent to your approaches. So you must be consistent. You must be consistent. Proactive people are consistent. Proactive people are consistent because they follow ABC in their life. What is ABC? Let's understand. When they are consistent, they say that I will achieve. I will achieve. I will achieve. Proactive people, they are consistent, so they believe in achievement. They believe in achievement. Second, they are consistent because they have a self-belief. They have a self-belief, yes, I will succeed. Yes, I will succeed. And then they don't worry or they don't think of consequences. They don't think of consequences. Either it's right or wrong, I don't care. I'm just be consistent. I'm trying to be consistent. Proactive people are consistent because they have three qualities. First, they think of achievement. Second, they have a belief in themselves. Yes, I'll succeed. I'll succeed. And third thing, they don't think of consequences. They don't think of consequences. So remember, friends, if you are proactive, you'll think of achievements. If you are proactive, you will have self-belief. You'll have a self-belief. अगर आप proactive हो, तो आप अचीवमेंट के बारे में सोचोगे. अगर आप प्रोएक्टिव हो तो आप खुद के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा विश्वास करोगे. और आप प्रोएक्टिव हो तो आप कॉन्सिक्वेंस यानी परिणामों के बारे में सोचोगे नहीं. यू विल वर्क ऑन इट एंड दैट हैपन्स व्हेन यू आर कंसिस्टेंट. I said why proactive people are consistent? Because they believe in achievement, they have a strong self-belief, and yes, they don't think of consequences. And then, how can you be proactive? Carry your own weather. Carry your own weather. Friends, this is very, very important. When I say carry your own weather, there might be a time when situation may not be conducive, situation may not be right, but it's you who will make the situation right. जब मैं मेरी ज़िंदगी के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ तो हर टाइम मेरा समय सही नहीं होगा, कभी कभार वो गलत भी होगा, बट गलत होने के बाद मुझे ये नहीं सोचना गलत क्यों हुआ है, मुझे ये सोचना है कि यार मैं इस गलत को सही कैसे करूँ. Proactive people carry their own weather. Proactive people carry their own weather. What do I mean by carrying your own weather? When you carry your own weather, it means that whatever situation you have, you just go with yourself and you say, yes, I'm going to achieve it. You want to be a great public speaker. Let's have a common example. You want to be a great public speaker, and there are 1,000 people, they are sitting, and you are among 1,000 people, and there's somebody who's standing at the stage, and you're looking at the person who's standing at the stage, and you're down. How do you feel? You'll clap for that person. But what do you mean by that? Carrying your own weather. Don't you think one day would come when I am going there? When I am going there, and when I am going there, now I am sitting among audience, so I am carrying my own weather. The day will come when I'll go on the stage. I am going to perform in such a way that everybody would applaud me. And remember, now your opportunity has come and you are facing stage. So when you face stage, always carry your own weather. Carry your own weather that I am the world-class speaker. I am going to change the world, revolutionize the world with my thoughts. That happens when you carry your own weather. So when you are sitting among audience, always feel I am the best, because that best feeling will help you to be a top performer, top public speaker, top leader, a top person of your life. And yes, you can be a superstar of your life when you carry your own weather. Situation will not shake me, will not trouble me if my approach towards life is very, very strong. So if you want to be a great public speaker in your life, carry your own weather when you're on the stage. And when you're walking from audience to stage, remember you are the best, and world is going to listen something which they have never listened before. And that is what is being proactive. Proactive people carry their own weather. Then learn to perform under pressure. Learn to perform under pressure. Do you know hero is the one who understands a tough situation, tougher situation, and the toughest situation, and he performs well under the pressure. Performs well under the pressure. Remember, people, we were about to lose many matches under captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, but from there we won many matches because he knows how to perform under pressure. If you are a leader in your life, if you are a proactive person in your life, then you know how to perform under pressure, and you can perform under pressure because you have a self-control. You can perform under pressure because you are calm. You can perform under pressure because you are self-prepared, and you can perform under pressure because you are responsible. And that's what matters a lot. Friends, changing world is amazing, but more than that, you must change yourself, and changing yourself happens when you learn to perform under pressure. I want to give an example that has really taught me a lot about it. It was time of 2005, and it was my dream of communicating in English. So I went to one conference and I saw one speaker performing so well. There were almost 1,000 people, and he was a British person, and I was so happy, so impressed. When I was walking out of that auditorium, I said one thing to myself: the time would come when I would also give speeches like him. I would also be like him. I would also try to improve. My English was not up to the mark. I was just above average that time. Friends, I worked hard, and doing it all happened because I learned to perform under pressure. Learn to perform under pressure. And that is possible when you have approach, when you have attitude, and you always build yourself in such a way that matters. Robert Schuller has written a beautiful book, and the name of the book is Tough Time Never Lasts, Tough People Do. I repeat, tough time never lasts, tough people do. And that's what matters when you learn to perform under pressure. Then, sixth, how can you be proactive? Unbending commitment. Unbending commitment. My commitment is so strong that I live for my commitment. Productivity is never an accident. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of commitment to excellence. It is always a result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. I repeat, productivity is never an accident. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of circumstances to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Remember, focused efforts, intelligent planning, and in that unbending commitment. I want to be a world-class trainer. How can I be world-class trainer? When I am committed, when I believe in excellence, when I am focused and I have intelligent planning and my efforts are focused. And that's what matters, and that is what being proactive matters a lot. Friends, the world runs around. When you look at your clock, what matters? You feel time just slips away. Time just slips away, time will slip away anyway. So you must have unbending commitment, and that matters a lot, and that makes you proactive. I repeat, how can you be proactive? You can be proactive by taking responsibility. How can you be proactive? It's all about, you think of yourself. How can you be proactive? By just being consistent. Remember, consistent people follow A, B, C in their life. A, I believe in achievement. B, I have a strong self-belief. C, I don't care of consequences. 4, proactive people carry their own weather. And then we said, learn to perform under pressure. And then most important thing that we discussed is unbending commitment towards your goals, towards your dreams, towards your life, and towards a lot about yourself. And friends, now we are going to learn about the most important thing, and that's what matters. And how to be in this, we are going to learn about reactive versus proactive. What do you mean by reactive and what do you mean by proactive? So just in very soon time, we are going to learn the differences of being reactive and being proactive.